Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce kebab. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, half a cup of plain yogurt, and fresh garlic cloves. Don't forget a lemon for its juice, and some dried mint for that authentic flavor. Also, have your salt and black pepper ready, along with a mixing bowl and a whisk. These simple items are the foundation for a truly delicious sauce. Now, let's create the creamy base for our white sauce. Take your 1 cup of mayonnaise and half a cup of plain yogurt and add them into your mixing bowl. Using your whisk, gently combine these 2 ingredients. Continue whisking until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform, with no lumps. This step is crucial for achieving that rich, velvety texture that makes the white sauce so irresistible and perfect for your kebab. Next, it's time to infuse our sauce with incredible flavor. Mince 2 cloves of fresh garlic very finely and stir them into your creamy base. Then, squeeze in 1 full tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This adds a wonderful tanginess. For seasoning, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 generous teaspoon of dried mint. These spices are key to the authentic taste. Finally, let's bring it all together and prepare for serving. Give your sauce a really good stir, ensuring all the garlic, lemon, and spices are evenly distributed throughout the creamy mixture. Now, taste your creation. This is your chance to adjust any seasonings, adding a little more salt or lemon if you wish. For the best flavor, chill the white sauce in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before generously serving it with your delicious kebab.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.